Hola a todos, espero que ustedes estén bien. I just wanted to go over a few things that we have coming up for this week. So if you head to our syllabus page and our course outline, you will see that for this coming week, the 24th to the 28th, for Wednesday, we had our intro video that was due. So this was due 2 days ago on Blackboard and the Chapter 1 Learn Smart. Also, the intro video comments are going to be due this Sunday, as well as the tareas for Chapter 1. And we see that this week we focused on vocabulario y pronunciación. So let's head over to our course content just to kind of understand. So when you go down here, it gives you the instructions on how to complete the intro video. So the instructions tell you that in VoiceThread, which is found here, you have to create a 2 to 3 minute video of yourself in English or Spanish, where you use your webcam, you introduce yourself to us. And then following down here, you have the Learn Smart, which was due on Wednesday. And when you keep going down further, it tells us what you have to do for the comments. So you should not put your intro video here. It tells you to put it in VoiceThread. This is just a reminder and instructions for that assignment. So I will grade this. This is where I will give you your grade, but this is not where you're putting the video. You're putting it in VoiceThread like the instructions indicate. Later here, you have to put comments in the actual intro video, and I will show you how to do that. Specifically, I say that you should not write your comments. They should be oral, and you should use your webcam, okay? And then also we have the tareas for Chapter 1 that are going to be due, which is vocab. So let's go in here to VoiceThread. When you go into VoiceThread, you should see some other videos of your classmates. Okay, so these are your classmates' videos. This is what you should be able to see them. So just pick any two classmates. You do have to make 2 comments. Okay, you have to make 2 comments on 2 different classmates' videos. And the way that you do that is you'll see here this add or plus sign, and it gives you the option here to use your webcam, right? Leave a camera comment. So you'll comment on something that they say in the actual video. So you'll click here, record video comment, and you'll go to start a recording, and it's showing me here. So I would say, oh, it's already. So it gives you a preview of what it's giving me a preview of what the comment was. You'll click save. I'm going to click cancel just so it doesn't leave the comment there. And that way you're able to leave the comment for your classmate. So cancel. This is where you'll do the intro video and the intro video comments. Okay, and head over to I'm back on Blackboard, and I'm showing you here I'm under course content. So there's a few different ways you can access this. If you go to Tareas Chapter 1 and you click it, it'll take you to the actual Tareas Chapter 1. I'm going to do a quick preview just to kind of show you guys what to expect. Okay, so here is the practice. This is what it looks like for me. It might look different for you as a student. Actually, let me go to student view. That might be easier. Okay, so it'll take you directly to Connect. So this is one way to get to Connect, and you'll see that I put all of everything that we have to do for the rest of the semester is here on Connect. That's related to Connect. So if you return to Blackboard, another way that you can access it, I'm going to go into Student Preview so you can see the preview for this course. This is how you should see Blackboard. If you go down here to the bottom, you'll see Connect is right here. I'm going to click Connect, go to my Connect section, and you'll just put your email here that you used when you signed up for the class. This should be your Jaguar email. Or you can go into Google and type McGraw-Hill Connect, and it'll take you to the Connect site. So I'm going to sign in for our class. Okay, we're using puntos de partida, Spanish 1311. Okay, and this is again what mine looks like. So I'm going to go to Student View. This is what yours should look like, okay? Student View. And we have the Tareas Chapter 1. You'll click here, click to begin. So this is what it should look like for you. So when you're going through the Connect, it tells you that there are 17 exercises. So here are your instructions. What would you say in each situation? Indicate the correct response for each image. So you have a few different options. Someone is giving you a gift. Would you say, sorry, thank you, no hay de qué, or I'm sorry, you're welcome, thank you, or excuse me? What would you say? I think I would say thank you. And here, this person is trying to get through to people. There's no space, right? So you might say, con permiso, right? Con permiso. In this case, oh no, maybe they will say perdón. Okay, so you just go through and click the options that you feel are appropriate. You can also go here where it says check my work, and it tells you whether or not it is correct. You go to return to question, you'll click next, and you'll go through each of the different options. This one gives you practice on pronunciation. Okay, so you'll read through here, and you have to, in this case, record your own voice. So let's read the instructions to make sure that we understand, right? Match the Spanish letter and letter clusters with their equivalent pronunciation and record yourself as you pronounce each example word. You have 6 seconds to record. Okay, so that is the time that you have to record. And it gives you the different options here for pronunciation, like the G in English, garden. Okay, the double T of butter, right? Butter, butter, butter. And in here, it gives you this example, mucho. And in this case, we're talking about the ch. So which one do we feel it is most like the ch in English, cheese, right? That makes sense to me. So I'll put this here. Which example was that? Perdón. C. So I'll put C. Then I'll record myself saying mucho. So I'm going to allow it to use my microphone. Mucho. Stop recording. And it's saved. Okay, and then there's my example. Okay, and you'll do it for the rest of these. So in case this one is Geraldo Jiménez. Hola, gusto, me llamo, señor. Profesora, Ramón, nos vemos. Okay, so those are examples of how to pronounce those words. And then you'll keep going through here the vocabulary to help you understand what is going on here. You can also reference here the ebook if you're having any issues. So you'll click on this ebook and we're in chapter 1 vocabulary. Okay. So you'll go through the vocab section here, chapter 1, introducción, y aquí primera parte. And it gives you different examples here throughout the book. So you're welcome to go through the examples of the book to help you better understand the vocabulary section. And then I will also be putting lectures for vocab and for grammar in Connect. Okay, so this is what we have coming up for this weekend. So if you do have any questions, please let me know. Hasta luego.